trees are swaying in the warm breeze on this Wednesday. The sky is blue, temperatures are very mild, but things will be changing over the next 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic. I will detail that and more in today's podcast.
That's right. It is Wednesday, hump day, and we are looking all the way in through the Easter weekend with today's podcast. First of all, we have to look at the upper levels to point out where our weather is coming from over the next couple of days. The dip in the jet stream across the northern plains associated with a strong cold front pushing southeast into the mid-Atlantic. Here's the timing of Thursday's cold front, which promises a line of showers, perhaps some gusty thunderstorms along and east of Interstate 81. The gusty winds will pick up between 7 and 9 a.m. in the Pittsburgh area, in the Alleghenies between 10 and 11 a.m. Once we get to I-81 and I-95 between 11:30 a.m. and 1 p.m., and along the Atlantic coast between 1 and 3 p.m. So what exactly can we expect once this particular cold front comes through? Peak gust along the cold front 46 to 52 miles an hour. With a second peak in the winds between 3 and 6 p.m., those gusts will be about 10 miles per hour lower than the gust along the cold front. On Friday, it will still be rather brisk, with gusts ranging from 30 to 35 miles per hour in Pittsburgh to 40 to 45 miles per hour on the Atlantic coast during the middle part of the day. Sporadic power outages likely mostly on Thursday, the best chance during the frontal passage, and also a moderate fire danger Friday due to the low humidity, gusty winds, and limited topsoil moisture. This will only be along and east of Interstate 81. In the wake of the cold front, we have some very cold air, enough to produce snow up to an inch on Laurel Summit west of Johnstown, down towards Davis, West Virginia. 1 or 2 tenths of an inch of snow towards Interstate 80. Lake effect snow could produce up to an inch in northwestern Pennsylvania. And even a dusting of snow late Thursday into early Friday during the overnight will cause some slippery roads in the Pittsburgh suburbs, so keep that in mind. All right, Easter Sunday and Monday, another storm system promises us copious amounts of rain, actually. No snow with this particular storm system, but about 3/4 to an inch of rain along and west of the plateau, 1 to 1.5 inches of rain between I-81 and I-95, up to 2 inches of rain, I should say, along the Atlantic coast. So this will be an all-rain event Sunday into Monday. The MJO is one of the teleconnection patterns that describes the story of what we are seeing. As you can see, there's different phases with this particular oscillation. It will be phase 1 and phase 8 over the next 2 weeks, and then phase 7 as we round out the month. What that means is a cold pattern for us, although there will be some warm days, but frost likely on occasion west of I-95 over the next week and a half, and finally transitioning to warmer weather by the 20th and 22nd. Log on to almanac.com to get your hard copy of the Hagerstown Almanac and sign up for Friends of the Almanac page, the Almanac in digital format. Everyone have a great Easter weekend. Continue to practice social distancing and washing your hands.